Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome back to our French journey. Today, we are starting something super important. French grammar. Don't worry, it's not scary. Together, we learn the building blocks that make French sentence work. Ready? Allons-y, let's go. What is grammar? So, what is grammar? Grammar is like the rules of the game. Just like football has rules, French has rules for how we put words together. If you know the rules, you can play the game and win at speaking French. First, we need to know who is doing the action. In French, we use subject pronoun. These are like little words that replace names. Je is used for he. Like with to for you, informal. Il for he. Elle for she. On can be used for we, one or they. Also no is used for we. Vous for you, formal or plural. Il for they, masculine or mixed, n. Elle for they, féminine. Notice something? French makes a difference between tu and vous. We'll use to with friends, and vous to be polite. Also, French has two words for they depending on gender, il for boys or mixed group, and elle for girls only. Now that we know who is acting, let's move to the next step. Verbs are action words, to eat, to drink, to play, to speak. In French, verbs change depending on who is doing the action. This is called conjugation. Je parle, I speak. Tu parles, you speak. Il elle ont parlé, she they speaks. Nous parlons, we speak, vous parlez, you speak. Il elle parle, they speak si. The endings change. That's why pronouns are so important because the verb match them. Alright, we've got to know what they're doing. Next, let's add some color to our sentence with noun and article. In French, every noun has a gender, masculine or feminine. Yes, even objects. For example, le livre, the book, is masculine and la table, the table, is feminine. Don't worry, you don't need to know why something is masculine or feminine. Just learn it with the word. Over time, it becomes natural. Since noun have gender, the little words before them called article must agree. Let's look at that. We have two types of article in French, definite, the, and indefinite, or en. Definite, the, le is used for masculine. La for féminine. And le for plural. Indefinite, en, un for masculine. Une for féminine n. Des for plural. So, the book is le livre. A book is un livre. Easy, right? Now let's combine everything we've learned to make real sentence. Let's try making some short sentence together. Je parle français. I speak French. Tu as un livre. You have a book. Elle aime la musique. She likes music. Nous mangeons une pizza. We are eating a pizza. See how it works? Subject plus verb plus object. That's the basic French sentence structure. Before we finish, here's one last important point. In French, to say not, we wrap the verb with ne. Pas. Watch this, je parle français. Je ne parle pas espagnol. Elle aime la musique. Elle n'aime pas le sport. So simple. Just sandwich the verb with ne. Pas. Bravo. You've just taken your very first step into French grammar. Today, we learned pronoun, verbs, noun, article, and even negative. That's all for one lesson, so take your time to practice. In the next lessons, we'll go deeper and build more complex sentences together. Now it's your turn. Comment below one short French sentence about yourself, using what we learned today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun French lessons. À bientôt.